Hey patrons, I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update what I've been doing over the last weeks. For example, I was cleaning up the studio, so now it looks much more, organized. All the prints are going to go into these shelves here. Everything else regarding camera stuff, electronics that I want to have here is now in the lower areas that you can't see in the videos. So yeah, that was one thing. Also cleaning up the desk, and also the background is different now. It's going completely around. Before it was just, if you remember, it was just a little piece of black cloth somewhere here in the middle part, and now it's going completely around here on this side and on the other side. So much better and much more coverage. Also, we have a bigger softbox here now. I think the overall lighting situations is going to be better. And by the way, I'm just shooting 3 more videos about the Ender 3 V2, how to upgrade firmware, building Marlin 2.0, and more stuff to come. Shooting these 3 videos in a row, and then we're going to release them over the next 3 weeks. So we have more time for other projects doing them in the meanwhile. I think that's going to relax my personal schedule and make it easier for me to create more content for you. So that's a little bit of an update. And yeah, hope to see you soon back on the channel. Bye.